Hello everybody, this is OneManOneCamera. I hope you all are having a great day today, wherever you are. This video is from May 15th, 2019. Let's take a look at Resorts World Las Vegas and see how things are going. This view is from Sammy Davis Jr. Drive, which runs parallel to the Strip. The latest news. Resorts World Las Vegas sold a $1 billion 10-year bond to finance the remaining costs of designing, developing, and building the project, as well as for working capital and to cover the costs of opening the resort. I have not seen any reports of the resort not being on schedule to open in late 2020. If most are aware of this, but Resorts World Las Vegas is owned by the Genting Group, Genting, out of Malaysia. The Genting Group is a multi-billion-dollar company which has a variety of businesses across the globe. I believe that little structure right there is going to be for conventions and meetings. This view is from standing in front of Circus. You can almost see in the bottom screen where it says Circus. One thing I do like about this video is that the colors of the red trim and the brown windows look very, very different. On some videos taken on very bright days, the contrast is not so big, so it looks like they're almost close to the same color. Maybe because it's cloudy and not as bright day, the camera can pick up the contrast, but I have some other videos where the building, the brown windows, and the red trim do look pretty close together in color. Is an artist rendition of how the resort should look. Now I believe this is just the first phase because I think they're going to have 2 or 3 towers, I believe. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is OneManOneCamera. Please thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend, and share the video. If you have any questions, let me know and I will do my best to answer them. Everyone, please have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.